I've always liked old things, like older mechanical things. Always been interested in old cars and street rods. My dad had a couple old trucks. Cars have always been an interest to me, and I've had many over the years. Probably the biggest project that I took on and the longest that's been ongoing was building this 35 Ford. When I got it, I brought it home on the top of my boat trailer and put it out onto the grass. All that was there was the body and the hood, then the rest I had to build myself. So I bought a donor car and took parts off of it and used the pieces that I could. Like these are stainless steel made out of a big piece of shafting. I made up a louver punch and punched my own louvers in the hood. This is to let the heat get out. 302 Ford in a Ford. Cars of this era are fairly tall and they've got a lot of headroom inside. Well, things were changing in the world, so I wanted something that was a little bit sleeker. So I cut the top off and I cut 3 inches out of it and then welded it all back together, did it all by myself. I guess I learned from my dad, but lots from trial and error and lots from doing it 2 or 3 times, and you learn by experience. Lots from working on other people's equipment also, building stuff and thinking sort of outside the box. You think, well, somebody built it this way, well, I can do it this way. My car, it's got stone chips and highway road rash and everything, and I drive it. We used to take it to Minneapolis with the whole family. I'm Dan, and this is my car.